Morning, everyone. It is Thursday, 18th of February, I think, and it's about half 6:40, I think. I've just finished my morning run. So I think the point of this right now, I think would be what I think would be cool is if I could start tracking the things that I'm trying to work on myself, and use YouTube as a sort of progress tracker. And one of the first things that I've been working on starting last week was touch typing. So I recently watched a video from Ali Abdaal. He has a typing speed of about 150-ish, which is pretty ridiculously fast, because he says he can almost think as fast as he types, or type as fast as he thinks. Our generation use computers more than we sleep, and that's just quite mind-blowing that a lot of us are still typing very slow. So what I did last week was I did a touch typing test using my old typing style, and I got, I think, a speed around 60-ish, but that actually involved a lot of looking at the keyboard and a lot of backspaces, which actually takes up so much time. So now I've been trying to relearn the keys, relearning the right finger placements for each key, and trying to work from there. And I can show you my progress now.
The website that I'm using, it's keybr.com. There are quite a few different websites available that are all free for you to learn to type. There's one called 10 Fast Fingers, and that basically gives you the 100 or 200 most common words for you to practice with, because those are the things that you're going to be typing the most. When I did the test, even though I could get 60-ish words per minute, I realized after watching Ali's video that I got all my keys wrong previously. I used to overuse my middle fingers way too much for all the upper row keys, as well as basically never using my index finger enough and not using my middle finger enough for the bottom rows. So basically put the wrong fingers on the wrong keys. And if you look at this diagram on the website, it really just shows you what the standard key placement or finger placement should be for each key. And this is supposed to help you optimize how fast you can type by minimizing, so that all of them can be working at the same time to help you press as many keys similarly as possible. And what this website also does quite well is that I think they basically start you off with one letter, which is E, and they give you a bunch of different words that are basically all E's or all N's or all R's. AI behind this website starts to be able to detect that you're getting more confident and more capable with typing on those keys. They will actually start giving you more and more letters, and therefore it becomes harder for you to type because there are more letters for you to manage. But then you also get that gradual progression, which is quite helpful. So right now this top bar is all green, meaning that I've already completed this. It's actually taken me quite a while. And I can actually even look at statistics, which is here. So I've spent in the last just under a week 3.5 hours just typing. So that's quite a lot, not a crazy amount, but a good amount. And my average speed has been 38, and this is with the sort of new typing speed. I haven't done any today. I'm about to start some now, and it has quite a lot of good data. So 38 is my normal speed, average speed. These graphs are cool to look at, but they don't really help me change the way I will go about learning them, because I'm just going to be spamming all the letters from now on, I think. But I guess these do tell you, if you really want to look into it, which ones are your strongest and weakest letters, which I sort of know already, based on how much time I got stuck on each key. I'm about to start a session now, and I will show sort of a little clip of me doing it, and should be quite cool.
So there's a lot of work to be done, and I will hopefully keep tracking this as I go on, and maybe some other content for another day.